Saint of the day, Saint John of the Cross. Saint John of the Cross was born Juan de Pesi Alvarez in Fontiveros, Avila, Spain in 1542. His father was employed by wealthy family members as an accountant, but they disowned him when he married a poor woman from the lower class. As a result of his family's poverty, John's family suffered greatly. His father died when he was 3 and his older brother Louis died 2 years after that. Likely because of malnutrition, John's mother eventually found work weaving, which helped her to feed her family. As a child, John was sent to boarding school for poor and orphaned children. He was given a religious education from a young age and chose to follow a religious path even as a child. He served as an acolyte at an Augustinian monastery. As he grew older, he went to work in hospital while attending a Jesuit school. In 1563, he was able to join the Carmelite order and took the name John of Saint Matthias. He made vows the following year and was sent to the university in Salamanca to study theology and philosophy. He became an expert in the Bible and dared to translate the Song of Songs into Spanish, an act which was controversial since the church forbade the translation of Bible from Latin, a measure to protect the original meanings in the scripture. John became a priest in 1567 and considered joining the Carthusian order where monks lived cloistered in individual cells. He was attracted by the simple and quiet life. However, he encountered Teresa of Avila, a charismatic Carmelite nun. Teresa asked John to follow her. On 28, 1568, Teresa founded a new monastery. The same day, John changed his name to John of the Cross. Within a couple years, John and his fellow friars relocated to a larger site for their monastery. He remained at this location until 1572. In 1572, John traveled to Avila at the invitation of Teresa to become a confessor and spiritual guide. He remained in Avila until 1577. While there, he had a vision of Christ and made a drawing that remains to this day called Christ from Above. The image has been preserved for centuries. The little drawings show Christ on the cross looking down on him from above. In late 1577, John was ordered to leave the monastery in Avila and to return to his original house. However, John's work to reform the order had already been approved by Papal Nuncio, who was a high authority. Based on that, John chose to ignore the lower order and stay. He joined Teresa's nun in Toledo and spent 6 weeks in the hospital to recover. In 1579, he was sent to the town of Baika to be rector of a new college and to support the Discalced Carmelite in Andalusia. In 1591, John became ill with a skin condition that resulted in an infection. He died on December 14, 1591. St. John of the Cross was beatified by Pope Clement X in 1675 and canonized by Pope Benedict XIII in 1726. He is the patron of the contemplatives, mystic and Spanish poets, and his feast day is celebrated on December 14th.